Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with what I received in my swap, and this is a swap that is called What's in My Paper Purse. This is actually hosted by Callie at Callie's Crafts et al. Here on YouTube. Sorry, you guys. I'm just trying to read my notes. It's Callie Crafts it all. Crafts. Oh my goodness, it's my tongue twister portion. Callie Crafts. Oh my goodness, crafts. I can't say crafts at all. Oh my goodness. What a tongue twister for myself. Anyway, she and a friend of hers host a Facebook group, and it's called Crafty Swaps with Friends. And she posted this on Instagram, and I was like, oh, I no longer have Facebook, which I do not. I haven't had Facebook in a while. And I asked her if it was okay if I could swap. And so, yeah, she said, yeah, that's fine. And I was partnered up with her, and I was so excited. Kelly is, if you guys do not know Kelly, oh my goodness, you guys are missing out. She's an amazing crafter. She does so much. I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh. But look at this beautifulness. I love this. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest. And oh my goodness, I have not seen these kind of styrofoams, and look, they look like hearts. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And I will have additional filler. So yay. And here is her card. I mean, I sent mine and I just put a tag and a little post-it, and I apologize for that. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I'm just like, thank you so much for swapping with me. I hope you like and enjoy what I have said. It was a good to swap with you again. Oh my goodness. So we have swapped previously. Like I said, that's why I know she is an amazing crafter. My goodness, you guys see. Oh my goodness, she just goes all out, way above and beyond, like totally way above and beyond. And oh my goodness, OMG. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the side, and here is her paper purse, and she sent in little extras, and oh my goodness, she sent me this gumball. Oh my goodness, this, I believe this one is from Dollar Tree, and she filled it up to the max with mini Hershey's M&Ms. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. How cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me see that. And then here is the bag, so let me put it on the side. OMG. OMG. Sorry, you guys. So, put this back in here so I can have more space. Oh, I'm so, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love how she made, oh my goodness. Okay. So I've been in and out of channels lately, and oh my goodness, if you bought this, wow, and if you made this, wow. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my god, it looks like it's just oh, I can figure this out. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this. I have to pick up that idea. And this is what she sent me. That's in her purse. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I didn't do as much as she did. Sorry for the wrinkle or the crinkling portion. Oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? That, I don't know what the name is. It's called a bee bag. Oh my goodness, it's like a beach bag. I love that. And look at her lipstick holder. It must be something in here. I think it's this candy in here. Okay, so isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, she definitely piled and put heavy stuff in here. Oh my goodness. So I'm not going to lift the reason I don't want it to tear apart. So how cute. Hello, sweet cheeks. Oh my goodness. I don't think I did the homework assignment correctly. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I was not, oh my goodness, I was just not thinking. Oh my goodness. And she sent some cute little embellishments. Oh my gosh, she just did a swap with Bethany, I want to say, not too long ago. I believe it was her, and she sent some of these stuff to her. Oh my goodness, I was watching her channel the other day like nonstop, and I was like, oh my goodness, she's just an amazing crafter. I need to go back into Facebook, into YouTube and just watch away with you guys. I'm like, I'm sorry. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh my goodness, I have not seen this brush at Dollar Tree. And thank you, because I need a brush here for my office. And she had a headband. Oh my goodness. And she put some tweezers in here. Oh, thank you so much. She really thought of everything. Like, oh my goodness. I don't really, I carry a purse, nothing in there basically, besides my wallet. And oh my goodness, some file. Oh my goodness, I think this is Scrap Diva's file folder thing. Oh my goodness. And then here is, okay, so oh my goodness, I saw a pink one. I saw a pink one that she posted, and I don't remember on whose swap that was. And I was like, oh my goodness, I have to text her and ask her how she made this. I'm not too sure if she's has video on there, but I was so wanting to text her, and I probably will like make sure there's not a video up, because I love this idea. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my goodness, thank you. Oh my goodness. Pen and a book. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? She made this little book. Oh my goodness. I love this. So personalized, from the desk of Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Love it. Thank you. I'm gonna cry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She does everything. She, like, her swaps. You guys will never be disappointing swapping with her. Totally never disappointed. It goes way above and beyond. Like, oh, thank you. Okay, I get bored here. Well, I mean, I don't get bored. Sometimes I just need to do something else while I'm working instead of working. Like I need like a 5-minute break, on my cabeza. So yay, thank you so much. I will have this in my desk. And oh my goodness, I have not seen this one yet. Like I said, I'm trying to watch, and oh my goodness, I did something similar to trying to, like, what is it called when you're trying to what is it called? When you're trying to figure stuff out, your trial and error stuff. And I did something like that on here, you guys see. And I wasn't too pleased with my prints and prints. So I'm still like in the phase. So I really appreciate this. And now I don't have to like really work at it and doing one of that. But I love this. This is so amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, MG, I'm so excited. Thank you, Kelly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so I know she said that she didn't do as much, but girl, you did way more than I did. Like, way totally. And look at the bag. Oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I saw a bag like this at Costco. One on the sale on the website, and I was like, should I buy it? Do I really need it? I don't need any bags. Honestly, I do not need any bags. Oh, so cute. So she personalized this for me. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then, oh, love this. So she has the blush, the pocket. Oh my goodness. I should have, oh my goodness. I gotta think more. How do you open this? I gotta put my cabeza to use. Oh, thank you, some gum. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest. Love this. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love everything. I so enjoy swapping with you, Kelly. Oh my goodness. I mean, I didn't even make this much. Oh my goodness. And then she sent something over here, something else. And then you see, before I forget it, oh my goodness. OMG. Oh my goodness, she sent me a cup. And oh my goodness. So she sent Bethany one of these too. And I was like, oh, I'm so jealous, Bethany. So now I have my own. And Kelly, I still have that cup you sent me the first time. Not a cup, it's a sports drink. And this is the first one that she sent me. I still have it. I just added some of my stuff in here. But this is the first one she sent me, and I still have it. And now she sent me this one. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I love it. I love everything. You guys, if you guys ever want to swap, you guys go to that Facebook group. It's called Crafty Swaps with Friends. and yeah, join in. And anyways, oh my gosh, like I said, Kelly is amazing. I don't know, she has a job and then she has all this time to create all these amazing, oh my goodness, I don't even do all this. And then she does this, you guys. She does this, and then she did this right here, and oh my goodness, and this sewing. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this. I still have to uh, send you a text. Thank you. And I finally was able to open my box. I received it. It's been sitting in my craft room for like 2-3 days, and I've been seeing my panties, and now I finally got to open it. And I need to contact you, Kelly, because I need to find out a few things about this. So anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. You guys go over, check out Kelly. She is an amazing crafter, like I said, and she is amazing. Anyways, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.